we don't just celebrate today, but we continue pedaling forward toward a brighter, greener, and make bike-inclusive Philippines. Again, enjoy the event, ride safe, and remember, let's share the road. Good morning, everyone.
Thank you so much, Sir Jerwin, for these welcome remarks. And of course, this wouldn't be possible without our Sir Jerome Bayani. Asan po si Sir Jerome? Sir Jerome Bayani.
Wala po siya!
Ayan po. Ayan, I would like to thank Sir Jerome Bayani for helping us to invite all our bike groups as well. And before we start with our bike ride, we would like also to invite Sir Jerome Bayani to give a bike clinic for everyone before we start our ride. But a few reminders for everyone. So all
Umaga mo na ba? Oo! Parang wala nga energy Umaga na! Madaling araw na? Hindi, malapit na tayo mag-umpisa niyan. Bali, ang natin ngayon is ikot lang tayo 3 times dito sa SM Card. 3 times. Tapos magkakaroon lang tayo ng 3 lines. Tapos yung mga mauuna mga tao nito nakasuot ng SM Cards. Tapos pala magbibigay din pala ang safety tips ang ating ibang bike group na si Sir Alp. Sir Alp sa ating mga tips starting bago umalis ng bahay hanggang makauwi. Ang mga safety tips natin. Okay lang ba sir? Tawagin ko si Sir Alp?
Of course! Go!
Sir Alp, patulong naman ako dito.
Akin na sir. Go Sir Ralph! Go, go, go!
Hello, good morning sa lahat. Maraming salamat sa lahat na pumunta dito sa SM Clark. Ayan, so simple safety tips lang para sa ating mga kabikers, So, huwag natin kalimutan magsuot ng helmet, So, kahit budget helmet lang 'yan, ay okay pa rin 'yan, So, mas mabuti nang may helmet ka kaysa ang wala. And then, of course, at the same time, nasa kalsada ka na rin, please follow traffic rules, So, hindi lang naman yun para sa mga kotse, sa mga motor, para rin sa mga siklista yun for our safety, So, pag nakikita yung red light, as much as possible, hinto rin tayo kasi hindi naman hihinto ang sasakyan para sa atin, So, iwasan natin maging tawag nga nila, Jempoy. So, yun lang naman. So, good morning everyone. And, yes.
Alright, thank you, Sir Rob.
Thank you, sir.
Ibabalot na rin po kay Sir Rick.
Go
At
Sir
maraming
Rick!
salamat.
be having our assembly in a few moments already. Pero meron po akong gustong ipa-practice para sa atin dahil meron po tayong slogan this year. Sabihin po natin sabay-sabay, let's share the road. Okay, pwede po ba natin i-practice yun? Alright, on the count of 3, sasabihin po natin, let's share the road. Alright, are you ready?
Yes!
Okay, on the count of 3, 1, 2, 3!
Let's share the road!
Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3!
Let's share the road!
Alright, perfect.
Na Francis, start na. Sali na tayo.
2,000 years later.
Now, let's call on. For our first set of prizes, we will be having 20 winners of MX3 gift pack with 1 box of MX3 coffee, 1 box of MX3 capsule, and 1 shirt. Alright, tandaan po natin 20 winners po tayo. And with that, may I call on Sir Pepito Perida? Prizes. Our winner of a brand new shirt from Fox is none other than number 14. 14. Ikaw ang winner ng ating shirt. Number 14, and of course, a winner of a brand new bike helmet from Fox. Oh, is here na lang po. Alright, and the winner of the last prize, a brand new bike helmet from Fox, is none other than number 11! Number 11?
Nag-usap yata kayong dalawa. Pare. Uy, nag-usap yata kayong dalawa.
Alright, congratulations sa ating mga winner!
Woo! Shit!
Ayan sir, pakisuot na lang para meron tayong photo op with that prize. Congratulations!
Bukas, testingin natin yan! Wow! Magpagar na!
Alright, thank you so much everyone for participating in today's event. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng ating participants for today. I hope you guys all had fun and had a great time.
Kaya pala wala yung prize sa atin. Ayaw nga! Puro major prize. Nagagalat kasi walang kape. Ayan na.
Na -1, na -2 pa ako, tapos ano?
Nag-chill. Nag-chill siya. Kaya, tingnan, nag-chill.
Magkasunod tayo, dosi ako yan.
Ay, dosi! Picture mo kayo dalawa, picture mo kayo dalawa.
Ayan, o.
Yan, 1, 2, 3, nice!